May ulam na ba kayo? Yes, you know what I'm talking about. Rina's barbecue. Oh my goodness gracious. Ulam to the max. Because I had it for breakfast, I had it for lunch, I had it for dinner, and I had it for merienda. What am I talking about? I was able to taste Rina's barbecue, both the pork and the chicken. And, well, of course, I couldn't finish it all in one sitting, so I was eating it every now and then. Meaning, I would get up from here in front of my laptop, go to the kitchen, get like 2 to 3 sticks, and nibble on it again. Goodness gracious. Sarap with rice, believe it or not. Sarap with pandesal. True. And all-time favorite, sarap, basta nandun siya, yun na yun. Straight from the stick. Yum! Tsaka ano, it's yummy. Kasi it's moist and it's juicy. Totoo yun. Melt in your mouth. As in, may ulam na ba kayo? And chicken or pork. Me naman, favorite ko, yung chicken. Kasi mahilig ako sa chicken. O, di ba? But then, of course, good old predictable pork barbecue. And you know why I like it? Because she got the timple. It's the one that I grew up with. It's the taste that tasted like home from yesteryears. So, whether it's pang-araw-araw or if you have parties, kasi Rina's barbecue also can do party trays for you. Nicely, cutely wrapped. Look, may ribbon pa. Diba? You like that. And by the way, no, for those of you who really like to have it on stock so that you can eat at any point in time, Rina's barbecue also has uncooked. You can keep it in your freezer. Yung pork, ha? Yung pork uncooked, ready to grill. Comes in packs, 10 sticks per pack siya. Ganun, with basting sauce and vinegar dip. Oh, hindi ba? Panalo. There you go. If you want to have it on stock at any point in time, you order ready to eat now and you order also pang backup. Put it in your freezer. Di ba? Goodness gracious. I really like it, truly. So you gotta try it. Rina's barbecue, both pork barbecue and chicken barbecue. Minimum order niya 10 sticks. O, di ba? How can you go wrong? But I'm telling you, you will want to order more. Why? Sarap. So if you think of the barbecue back home, made by your mommy, made by your tita, made by your lola, yun, nakuha niya yung timpla. The backstory nga is, she wasn't really doing this as a business. She just likes to make barbecue, and then her friends like it, her neighbors like it, and then they said, sige na, make it na a business. She's like, really? She gave it a try, and the rest is history. That's the birth of Rina's barbecue. And I tell you, go, go, go. Business is expanding because word of mouth, people like it. Trust me, I'm very picky with food. Masarap siya. Truly. Hi, I want to eat again. Matawagan nga. Rina's barbecue. Hello. I want more. Sarap kasi. Tatatatat. Teka, ano nga ba yung number? Makatawag nga. O, yan na. I'm gonna go call now. I'm gonna order my Rina's barbecue. Find her on Facebook. Okay? RINA apostrophe S, Rina's. It's spelled BBQ. BBQ. Rina's BBQ. Okay, I'm gonna go eat now. Sarap yan. Babu!